Let's start. Madam Deputy Chairman, I rise to participate in this discussion not with a view to ventilate particular grievances or to secure concessions and relief in the taxation measures. Full stop. I am one of these who believe that there is no justification for additional taxation unless the conditions laid down by the Taxation Inquiry Commission are complied with. Full stop. It was a commission presided over by no less a person than Dr. John Mathai. Full stop. One of our illustrious finance ministers, and it laid down that there was no justification for any additional taxation unless we complied with 2 or 3 conditions. Full stop. Para. One condition was that whatever tax was realized was being properly spent, that there was no wastage or superfluous expenditure being incurred. Full stop. The Commission had pointed out that out of every rupee that was being raised by the government, 60 paise were being spent on administration and about 20 paise were being spent on social services including education, etc., and the balance for other things. Full stop. Another was that whatever tax was being imposed should be realized before we brought out measures for fresh taxation. They also had suggested that there was sufficient room for economy in all the ministries and departments, and effective steps should be taken forthwith to enforce the maximum possible economy in government expenditure. Full stop. Para. Now we have before us this audit report for 1961 to 1962, which was presented to the Lok Sabha on the 6th June and which came to my hands last night, and I have not been able to study it. I find that during the last 5 years we have imposed additional taxation, and at the same time our revenue expenditure has gone up by about rupees 42 crores. Full stop. So one of the one hand so on the one hand we say that we are raising this money, these taxes, for the implementation of the plan, and for that reason every chief minister and ministers go about saying that we want money for the implementation of the plan. Full stop. But what are the facts? Question mark. We find that the money that has been raised is being used for administrative purposes. Full stop. So it is not correct to say that. Full stop. On the other hand, it is not proper because you must know that no plan, however well balanced and well thought out it may be, can be implemented in a democratic setup unless you can enthuse the people. Full stop.